More rush, come on. Nice try. Let's go, come on, Cam. Get up there, Will. Let's go, Cam.
Kevin, up. Challenge him. Going to 18, no, got him. Oh, that was a hack, Fred.
Nice, watching in Connecticut. Too bad I don't have Zoom on this, huh? Well, hope you enjoyed the game. Right now it is currently 3-2. Actually, I should say 2-3. Aquinas is down. And we're in the first half. That's good to see, especially out in the middle of nowhere. Consistent video and audio. Quick scan of the crowd. Yeah, I don't understand why they don't have Zoom. They sure would make this perfect. I tried doing this with my video camera, but it's just too fuzzy. Let's see. Uh-oh, going against us. Wow, good save. That was a great save, people. Wow. The other thing I need to figure out is the tripod. Right now I'm just resting it on top of the camera.
Watch 18, he's way back. Who's on 18? Josh got it. Josh said I got him.
Corner kick here.
Watch the short kick.
Come on, guys, what's the score? Help out the box.
Somebody should be on. Wait, I'm watching.
And there's the kick. One side to the other, and that's the pass. So I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes to continue.